Hello, everyone, and Merry Christmas. Happy holidays to all of you. Today, I would like to share with you the mudras because they are wonderful spiritual gestures that we can really use anytime and anywhere. We'll move through all of them, and you can just stay with one that you really like, that feels comfortable for you, and then go back to that one. So the mudras are in the art of jinshin, and they're also in the core textbooks because they're so wonderful. And it's really where the art of jinshin began, because Master Jiramarai, when he was very sick himself, this is what he worked with when he was brought to the mountain cabin to explore his own healing process. And he started with the mudras. So these are 8 that he chose for us to use, for us to share. And so today, for Christmas, I would like to share them with you. And so the first one we'll practice, it's the middle finger, which I personally really love. It's very calming and soothing. And you place your thumb on the palm side of your middle finger like this, and you can wrap your finger around, right? So this is what it looks like. And just take a few breaths here. And this really kicks the fatigue in the body. If we have drags, if we're tired, if we feel empty and depleted, if we need to fill up our hearts, then this one is wonderful. It allows us to exhale, to let go, so that we can receive the new. And let's just take 3 nice breaths here and just feeling the feel. What does it feel like to you? Really let go so that you can receive the abundance. Take 1 full cycle of breaths, and you can also just check out the other side for a moment here. Feeling the difference between the right and the left. Wonderful. And then the second one is just turn your hand around, like so. Place your thumb over the back of your finger, so you are on the back of your hand, and that allows for the inhale. So we have exhale, there's the first one, and then inhale with the second one. So after we fully exhale, we can inhale and receive. And by holding these mudras, you are supporting that. And all the mudras are about exhale and inhale. They are all about our respiratory system and our digestive system, digesting our thoughts and what's happening in our lives. So I'm going back to this one automatically. So that one is probably one that my body really can use. We were on this one. So again, just take some thoughts on which one feels comfortable for you, which one supports your system. And then the third one, and by the way, they're not necessarily in order. We just place them like this in the book, but you can move them around in whatever order you like, or just practice one at a time. So the third one, we're holding the little finger, the ring finger, and part of the middle finger like this. I hope you get a good view of it. And that really helps to open up our hearts, our heart energy. And how important is that for Christmas time, for the holiday spirit? Some of you feel happy to be with family. I'm happy this year. I have both my kids around, so that's wonderful. Some of you may feel a little sadness because you can't be with certain family members. Maybe you're really busy and running around a lot, having a lot of responsibilities. Then this mudra is really nice to balance all that. Opening up your heart and allowing for the feelings to process whatever they may be. And then the next one, so this is harmonizes our exhale. We're on the palm side, and then again we're turning around our hand, going to the back side. Our inhale, and holding the thumb, the index, and part of the middle finger. Yes. Hope you can see this well. There. Okay. And you can relax your hand like that. Relax it in your lap, and that's why it's so easy to practice them wherever you are, and choosing your favorite one, and knowing that you're really tapping into the ancient traditions, these beautiful spiritual gestures, and bringing them onto yourself. One more breath here. Very nice. And then this is a really nice one too. We just place the middle fingers together. And you're making like this little heart. All right, little heart. That. Placing the nails together allows for the inhale, the back of the hand. And yes, if you think about them being beautiful gestures, you know, a lot of people use this heart sign. It's a very popular sign today. So, there. It's an uplifting mudra, this one. It lifts you up. And then the next one is the ring finger, opening up our lungs, which is very important. And the lungs opens, when the lungs are open, we're harmonizing everything in our body, because everything needs air. Any project that we may need, we need to breathe into it. And so holding this mudra will open up our lung energy and give breath to every cell in our body. And that's why this mudra is wonderful. And then the next one is one of my favorites that I share with you a lot, is placing the middle fingers together like this. We're again holding the palm side of our fingers, the fingertips. So here we're harmonizing the tips, which harmonizes our chest line and our feelings. Again, allowing us to exhale. And by holding the middle fingers, you are tapping into our little source energy, And if you place your palms together at the same time, we're connecting our individual energy to our source energy. So another wonderful mudra. And then lastly, a little bit more complicated one, but a beautiful one. Then it looks beautiful too, which can be important. It's you hold your thumb up and you slide this thumb on the nail, and then with your middle finger, you fold it and place your nail onto the pad. So here, this is very all-inclusive. We're harmonizing the exhale and the inhale both at the same time, and holding the middle finger and the thumb, which harmonizes the middle part of our body. So again, this one looks beautiful, right? However you turn it. So I hope that you will have found your favorite mudra. So take that with you over the holidays. Use it, share them. Enjoy your holidays, and I will see you next year. Thank you for joining. Happy holidays.